verification and validation. These two questions, the difference between these two is one of the most asked questions across any software testing interviews. Even in software development, they ask this question because it is relevant. Okay. So the whole concept of verification and validation, we can take an example and try and understand. Firstly, if you have, let's say you're cooking something at home and you have a clear instructions of how you need to cook this. Okay, so you have a recipe, you have certain instructions given, and you have certain ingredients to be put. So you have a fair idea of what all needs to be done, and you go through this process and you develop something, you cook something. Okay, now when this is basically called, by following each step, and you, when you're cooking, you actually go back and check the recipe, and once again, add something out of, if there is something missed out. So when you do all these things, you're actually verifying. This is basically called verification. So what do you mean by validation? Validation is, once you have this cooked and when you serve it to somebody, is it exactly like how the user, whoever is consuming it, is expecting? So is it according to how the user expected? Although you have certain rules and regulations for it, you followed the recipe, but that doesn't mean how, that is just not the same way how the user might have expected, right? So this is basically called validation. Let me read out, just remember this example. You cook something by using certain recipes, but when you served it to customer, did he like it? Is that the end product he wanted? So this is the basically the difference. Now let's understand in terms of software testing. So in verification, verification confirms that the product is designed correctly and meets specified requirements. In the initial, there are some requirements given, so you are actually meeting all those specified requirements. In this process, we actually do a lot of reviews. We do certain inspections, like we tasting the food. We would have tasted the food, right, while cooking it. And we do quite a lot of walkthroughs, like you send it to certain managers, you ensure that it is given to the stakeholders, meaning the clients, and you actually focus more on the design documents and the specification documents here, because you've been given certain instructions and you need to follow it. That is what you did in the verification. Now in the validation, validation ensures that the product meets the customer's needs and expectation. Like I said, when we are validating it, is it exactly how the customer wanted? If it is how he wanted it, then it is good. You have developed it accordingly. You wanted it to be, tasting it certain way. You would have developed it in the same way. Now, if it is not, then we need to think what should be done. So in this process, we do a lot of dynamic testing, like this is how we wanted it or not, this is how it should taste or not, and you do some user acceptance test. User acceptance meaning one who is actually using it, a group of people or everybody who uses it should accept it as, yes, this is how I wanted it and I like it. So until then, if it is not user accepted, then we can still consider this application as not full-fledged. So you keep enhancing it, you keep doing some new additions like how user wants it. So here we focus more on the actual product, not on the process, but the entire product. How is it come to my hand? How is it tasting for me? Am I liking it or am I not liking it? So this is the difference between verification and validation. So remember the example. You will never forget this concept when you're answering it to the interviewer as well. When you're teaching it to somebody, you can use a similar example, and here it is going to relate almost one to one, right? Okay.